The Next Weather team is keeping a close eye on a storm system moving into our area. It's expected to bring drenching rain, damaging winds, and the potential for flooding. A Next Weather alert has been issued for Sunday and Monday. Andrew is back with the expertise on this.
Yeah, so the Next Weather alert means that we are going to be looking at significant rain and wind. The combination of both could give us some flooding issues, coastal concerns, and maybe even some beach erosion. Now, it is part of the same system that gave a deadly tornado tonight near the Nashville area, where we're already hearing, unfortunately, about fatalities down there. The one thing I do want to note, because a lot of people will see that on social media, we are not expecting a tornado outbreak here. Yeah, so it won't be like that. Yeah, will not be like that, but this will be weather that will impact us. So let's talk about this. Travel delays tomorrow, power outages, and while we're not looking at widespread outages, especially along the Jersey Shore, some of the coastal communities could be looking at some of that, especially with those gusty winds. Outdoor plans, you're not going to have them tomorrow, not at all. And then we get into the sports and any events outside, most likely going to be looking at delays or cancellations there. Local flooding is going to be a concern pretty much everywhere. Because of that, we do have that flood watch. That is in effect from 1 p.m. tomorrow all the way through 4 p.m. on Monday, to basically make up for the fact that we are going to be looking at widespread 2 to as much as 5 inches of rain. And if you want to know where the heaviest rain is going to be, right across central New Jersey, Millville over towards Mays Landing could potentially be looking at several inches of rain. It's all along this front, and this is what met up with some really, really warm, soupy, almost spring-like air, and that's why we had some of those tornado outbreaks across areas like the Deep South, the Mid-South, and into Tennessee. Now, we get back into our region, and this is what we could be left with. By the time all is said and done, anywhere between 2 and up to 4, maybe even 4.5 inches of rain, areas like Toms River. Again, this is just an estimate, but overall, we are looking right now at the big picture coming together and giving us that heavy rain. So let's take you through an hour-by-hour forecast. Overnight, we're going to be fine. We will have some clouds thickening up. We'll have warmer temperatures with the warm front well to our north, and we're also going to have a little bit of fog. But some light showers by 8, 9 o'clock in the morning move in from west to east. And then this secondary area of low pressure will develop in the afternoon. That's just going to strengthen this entire thing and grab moisture off the water. So the heaviest rain, that's going to come in between 6 p.m. and about 9 p.m. on Sunday tomorrow. Heaviest rain, the strongest winds. The strongest winds, by the way, right at the Jersey Shore, where we could be looking at 40 up to 50 mile per hour winds. That continues into the wee hours of the morning on Monday. Once the rain starts to let up by Monday morning, though, the cold air rushes in, and that may turn some of that rain to snow for the Poconos. Not for Philadelphia, not for the Jersey Shore, but maybe 1 to 2 inches across the highest elevations. All of us, though, will eventually clear out by the time we get into Monday afternoon. Let's talk about the wind. By Sunday evening, 7 p.m., 33, 34 mile per hour wind gusts in the Philly area, over 40 across the Jersey Shore. And again, when some of that is combined with the rain, flooding concerns. Look at the wind gusts as we head into midnight Monday, nearly 50 miles per hour across the Jersey Shore. That will continue into your Monday morning. So Sunday, stay inside. 63 degrees in Philadelphia, 60 at the shore, 54 in the Lehigh Valley. We're going to average 10 to 15 degrees above average. And then we're going to lose almost 20 degrees by Monday, from 63 to 44. Once we get past Monday afternoon, look at this. Nice sigh of relief. We have a chance to dry out. It will get cooler, especially Wednesday into Thursday, but we have a mostly sunny to partly cloudy forecast all the way through the beginning of next weekend. Aziza, our concern, though, will be on those next weather alert days, Sunday and Monday. We're going to have full team coverage right here tomorrow morning and throughout the day, all the way through Monday afternoon.